Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if your Intel Killer Wi-Fi 6E ax1675r network card is not working properly. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I recommend doing would be just to restart your computer, so just go ahead and actually restart your device. You may also want to restart your router as well, so unplug and plug it back into the wall if it is accessible. Or if there's a reset option on the router itself, I recommend exploring that as well. And now that we're back into Windows here, you want to open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, should come back with command prompt, right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in ipconfig followed by a space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to the / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard. Should come back with Windows IP configuration successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now that that has concluded, type in netsh followed by a space winsock space reset. Once again, exactly how you see it on my screen, and then hit enter. It should come back when successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. At this point, go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer. And then hopefully your issue has been resolved. If you're still having an issue, we can attempt to reset our network settings back to default. Again, since you're using Wi-Fi, you will need to have your Wi-Fi credentials nearby before we proceed with the next step. So once you have them, go ahead and open up the search menu and type in network reset. Best result should come back with network reset. Go ahead and select that. This will remove and then reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. Go ahead and select the Reset Now option. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Select Yes, and then close out of here. Save and close out of any open programs and applications, and then restart your computer at this time. So there you go, guys. Hopefully this point your issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.